I'm going to be opening Play-doh. I'm going to be opening surprises from Play-doh. And let's open this. So cool. We got a baby. We got a little monkey. That's cool. So I'm going to take this can.
Yeah.
Now I'm going to put the Play-doh just right here. And put the monkey in here. Here's the blue can of Play-doh that I'm going to open. These Play-doh cans. Here's a little koala. Close up. I'm doing a close up. That's what I have to do. Ah. It actually did hurt.
Oh my God. They're so cute.
And now I'm gonna take the white. I'm gonna take the white can and open it. I forgot what's used. So here's my little Minecraft skeleton. I actually forgot what was in these. Now we're down to 6 cans, and I'm going to open the pink can. So, we have creamy cookie. Just put it right there. We have Sharon Shoe. We have my LPS Teddy. And we have Betsy Buttercup. So we got 3 Shopkins and 1 LPS Teddy.
What's LPS Teddy? Littlest Pet Shop.
Yes. Oh. But it stands for LPS.
Did you come up with that on your own?
No, it says it.
Is that what they call it?
Yeah.
LPS fans call it that?
No.
Who calls it that? Littlest Pet Shop?
It has it.
Oh.
I'm gonna be opening. I'm opening the blue can. Oh. And we have a little bottle. And we're down to 4 cans. I'm opening the orange. We have sweet berry. She's a Shopkin. We're down to now. I'm gonna open the purple can. we have
So, I'm gonna
the
go
tiger.
Yeah. That would be cool. That's easier. Like, yeah.
We're down to two cans, guys. I'm gonna open a lime green can. Oh, we have the little. So the purple bottle was the tiger's bottle, and this little pink bottle is the koalas. So that's cool. So we're down to one can. So I'm gonna open the pink one now, and this is our last can. Here's my little monkey's bottle. So that's very cool. So that's it for today, guys.